Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best dehumidifier for basement. Here are the top 3 best dehumidifiers for basement that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. PuriCare 50-pint Clear Bucket Dehumidifier. Its shiny black body frame makes it look more attractive and distinct from other dehumidifiers in the market. It is anti-flammable, heat-resistant. Blockage alarm and safety standby mode shuts it down automatically in case of overheating. A large capacity water gallon that has easy visibility for checking purposes. The alarm turns on when the bucket is overfilled with water. Easy to do settings that can be viewed via a bright LED display. It can cover the area of around 2,000 square feet with 50 pints per day performance. At number 2. 50-pint Energy Star Dehumidifier. The automatic thermostat can adjust the settings automatically by sensing the moisture level inside the room. Remove moisture from approximate 3,000 square feet area with a 50 pints moisture per 24 hours capacity. A bright, shiny LED screen shows the timer settings, humidity level, and current temperature of the room. Its filter can be removed and attached comfortably. You can also wash it from time to time. Comfortable settings and best for large area homes and offices. At number 1. High Humidity 50-pint Capacity Dehumidifier. Its 50-pint capacity dehumidifier offers extended functionality for every 24 hours. It is a UL-certified dehumidifier that guarantees durable performance. A multi-speed fan installed inside it makes the area moisture-free in very little time. The digital screen shows the exact moisture present in the surrounding for doing convenient settings. A window on the dehumidifier makes it easy to check whether the bucket is empty or filled. The bucket can be connected with a hose for drainage with continuation. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.